Self-reflection is hard. Admitting you were wrong is hard. Challenging our programming is hard. You can't expect others to do it. You can only do it for yourself. I can only do it for myself. Like, sometimes when I don't know someone's intentions, I assume the worst. That's called the fundamental attribution error.
I have been quick to see the sawdust in my brother's eyes, and slow to see the plank in my own, slow to listen and sympathize, and quick to cast the stone. And it took till now to realize, after everything I've tried, if you would change what's all around you, you gotta start with what's inside.
If you would change what's all around